Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. So I have a historical snapshot on the screen right now from January 7th of 2018. Now you might be questioning, Nick, why do you have this on the screen? What are you hinting at? What are you trying to show us? Well, I'm showing you the fact that XRP at one point in time was the second largest crypto asset in this space. Now, obviously, a lot of things have changed since 2017, 2018, but remember, right? These things are crucial to note because I've been talking a little bit about XRP, and I've been talking about XRP this cycle specifically. Why have I been talking about XRP so heavily? It's because we haven't experienced a legitimate bull run since 2017, 2018. A lot of people will say, oh, people are just making excuses on why XRP missed out on the bull run of 2021. You could say that it's excuses, but listen, if I delisted something, say for so I delisted Ethereum from every single major exchange, and I said that Ethereum is a security, and I sued Ethereum. Specifically, we'll say the Ethereum Alliance, right? And I said Ethereum is a security. How would Ethereum hold up? You would argue that Ethereum would probably have a rough time catching some traction within the bull run. Like I said, I don't look at the excuses around XRP. Do I think that XRP could have performed better in 2021? Yeah, sure. But also, you have to think about how many exchanges were holding XRP. How much did the sentiment shift overnight once the lawsuit dropped? $15 billion in damages were done upon the announcement of the lawsuit. Now, I want to take you to another historical snapshot, which is right before the lawsuit actually dropped, because we have that, and it's very, very significant. So here is November 1st of 2020. XRP was only at 24 cents. Here we have a few weeks later where XRP was starting to break out a little bit. And as you guys do see right here, XRP was sitting at almost 44.5 cents. Following week, it was sitting at 60 and almost a half cents. Now, we weren't extremely close to flipping Ethereum, but I do think that we were on our way to flip Ethereum. Why? Look at the 24-hour trading volume. Ethereum had $15 billion in trading volume. But guess what? XRP actually had more trading volume than Ethereum. Almost $4 billion. Just to put that into perspective right now, if we were matching Ethereum's trading volume, we would be sitting at about roughly almost $6 billion in trading volume. But regardless, going back to this screenshot, leading into December, again, trading volume was still around almost the same level. It dropped a little bit. Here we have XRP at about roughly almost 3 billion. Ethereum almost had 11.3 billion. Like I said, they were very close to one another. But this continued on until we had, I just clicked the top 24 hours. Here we go. But this continued on for a little bit of time, up until the lawsuit. And then things get very interesting. So here we have the SEC lawsuit date, December 20th. This is the week of. Right after, we see XRP lose over half of its value. And look at the difference there. Ethereum, almost $13.4 billion in 24-hour trading volume versus the next week, which it had $26 billion worth of trading volume. Then the week after that, $45 billion worth of trading volume. Again, XRP down here, $5 billion. If we were matching the 24-hour trading volume of Ethereum leading up to that lawsuit, where do you think XRP would have been? And again, throughout the year, this jumped around quite a bit, but for the most part, the average trading volume on Ethereum was around roughly $20 billion for the entire year, which is crazy to say the least. Now, like I said, XRP was down here, $2, $3, $4, $5 billion in market cap. That is not normal for XRP, considering the fact that we know throughout 2020 leading up to the lawsuit, XRP had very, very significant trading volume. Now, here we have April of 2021, when XRP jumped to almost $2. It still gained over $21 billion worth of trading volume in the 24-hour period, even though it was delisted on majority of exchanges. Why am I bringing all of this up? Why am I talking about all of this? Well, it's very simple, right? You guys probably remember this post just recently where I was talking about how my range on XRP is $5 to $10 this cycle. Now, I'm being very conservative on this, but the reason why I say this is because everyone is expecting Ethereum to hit these massive prices, and the market cap for it would be 900 billion to 1.2 trillion. Now, at the same exact time, there's a great video that got posted by Credible Crypto. Now, RizXRP actually pieced this one part together. He's showing the previous 58,000% run up from XRP. Do I think that XRP is going to do another 58,000%? No, and neither does Credible Crypto. This is just a little bit of a engagement farming. Again, no hate for that. It is what it is. But listen closely to this video from Credible Crypto, and then I will talk a little bit more regarding this after.
With people, the people who are more used to traditional TA, let's go ahead and take a look at this from a traditional perspective, ignoring Elliott Wave for a second. We just zoom out to the 3-day chart, and we can see that essentially what we have here is one massive consolidation following our impulse from 2017. That took XRP from less than a penny, about a 20th of a penny, to $3.57 for what was at the time a 58,000% increase, or a 580x move. We haven't seen an impulse of that magnitude since 2017. And what has followed that has been literally 6 years of essentially sideways consolidation in what I believe to be one massive accumulation range, partly because of the SEC nonsense that happened that caused XRP to fail to make new highs in 2021 when most other coins did. But as I've said, that simply means that this explosion, when we get it, should be even more aggressive and more significant. To put things in perspective once again, if this really is our first wave here, our first wave of 5, it's similar to this little move that we had down here. This was the 3rd, this was the 4th, and this was the 5th. So that kind of just puts things into context about how aggressive we can expect this next move to be. This move would be the first impulsive move, macro impulsive move on XRP that we've seen since 2017, which means that every other move that we've seen since 2017 to the upside should pale in comparison to what we have coming. I think XRP, seriously, the amount of frustration and hate and absolute destruction of hope that I see on Twitter right now when it comes to XRP is incredible. Makes me so much more confident about what is to come. Makes me so much more excited to be in position on XRP for what I think is going to be a move, the likes of which is going to leave most of the market stunned as it did in 2017. There is no doubt in my mind that we're going to see an explosive move here, and I can't wait for it to get started. But yeah, new all-time highs. I'm going off on a little bit of a tangent here, but from a non-Elliott perspective, we have essentially consolidation of higher lows and higher highs, reaching an apex, and looks like we're going to break out here soon. And a breakout of this essentially 6-year consolidation should have some pretty aggressive moves to the upside once it gets going.
And again, I could not agree more with this overall sentiment. He's addressing the fact that pretty much the entire sentiment around XRP is that, oh, XRP sucks. It's never going to do anything. It's trash. It hasn't performed. It's this, it's that. And this is what I have been noticing as well. And I've been talking about it for a little bit of time. Now, regardless of if you think that this is going to happen or not, that's okay. I'm not here to persuade you. I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about why XRP is waking up this season and why I personally think that once it does wake up, it is going to be an absolute massive rally to the upside. Now, as we do think about this, right, it does look very similar to 2017, 2018 right now. A lot of people have been showing charts regarding this. For an example, here we have a fractal regarding the XRP USD chart. It's ready to fly. Are you paying attention? Here we have XRP USD present time, XRP USDT 2016, 2017. You can kind of see how this has been playing out. Now, a lot of people have been saying, well, we haven't really gotten that big dip yet. And if we do get it, right, like we could see 56 cents yet again if we do see it. But regardless, we should be ready for the big move to happen on XRP. And this would take it to initially $5, and then from there back testing the $3 range, and then from the $3 range going to $10. But the big question is, why am I talking about Ethereum? Why have we been talking about Ethereum? Well, because a lot of people will say that the market cap for XRP will be way too high, that it can't hit those prices. Guys, here's the Ethereum market cap right now, and this is what XRP would be worth if it had the market cap of Ethereum right now. This is the market cap and the price at the all-time high of Ethereum. Now, again, what happens if XRP flips Ethereum? Because this has been a narrative that's been going around for a little bit of time, because like I've said, XRP was really the only other project to actually flip Ethereum in the past, and here we have XRP wins. Now, I hate this idea that like everyone despises Ethereum. Listen, I have no hate towards Ethereum. Now, the people that are early investors into Ethereum that have been, pushing things into motion, more so you have regulators that are going against other players in the space like XRP and targeting it. You have Joseph Lubin, for an example. Like these people I despise. But any project in the space, I never wish harm upon. I don't really care what happens to Ethereum. I mainly look at where we are at right now. Ethereum being deemed a security does not benefit any of us. I'm just going to say that right now. So I'm not hoping for that. In fact, I actually hope that the SEC loses that case as well, if they are going to go that route. But would this allow XRP to flip Ethereum yet again? Technically, yes. But also, I do want to bring up the fact that Vitalik did call XRP a trash coin. So listen, I'm not going to sit here and say, hey, I hope Ethereum goes down. I don't care, because I'm not childish here. I'm not immature. Words are words. I don't really care what happens to Ethereum. I'm focused on legitimate projects. I'm focused on utility as well. And I do think that XRP right now has a lot going on for it. Some of the most monumental amendments have been passed, aka the AMM and things like that. We're starting to see a lot of development on the back end side as well. And regardless of how the community feels about XRP, guys, we still have the largest and one of the strongest communities out there revolving around XRP. If this run plays out like we have been anticipating, then everyone is going to be very happy that is holding XRP. Like I said, I'm looking at Ethereum right now. I personally see us targeting Ethereum this run up. Right now, the market cap for Ethereum is $400 billion. Look at the trading volume. XRP has pretty much no trading volume. Again, let's go back to the historical snapshots, and let's go back to leading up to the lawsuit, more so around the March timeframe, right? So let's go to the beginning of April, actually, of 2020. So here's when XRP was still maintaining a pretty decent trading volume, 1.6 billion. Right now, we are sitting at about 1.6 billion. Now, XRP didn't really start to have a tremendous breakout until the November timeframe, right? Like, here's some nice moves in the market, but again, it's just ranging around 19, 20 cents. And it did this all the way up until November. And like I said, I do believe that XRP was getting ready to have a major move in the market during November into December. And then that's when the lawsuit came, just at the right time to stop that price action. That's where I foresee that we are at right now as well. We're just ranging and ranging until we get that November price action yet again. Now, do I think that we have to wait until November? Absolutely not. But I do believe that we are going to wake up in a very large way once we start to see volume coming in. Now, do we need volume right now to move the price of XRP? 100%. Volume is what moves these things. Right now, you can see that the 24-hour trading volume is down 40, almost 1%, versus something like, Ethereum. Now, the Ethereum trading volume is pretty much flat at about almost 20 billion. That's almost 20 times the amount of trading volume that we have. So as we really look at this, right, if XRP is about to wake up in a very large way, which I personally see it doing so, and it breaking the 6-year consolidation, it's not going to do a 58,000% run up, but I do think that it could do a 1,600% run up to $10 and almost $0.50. Now, initially, I'm really looking at just the market cap of Ethereum right now as being something that's possible. That's almost a 1,200% move for XRP. That's not unrealistic. But hey, to each their own. What do you guys think is going to happen with XRP this run? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you guys did enjoy the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.